What is this, like round 4? Oh, round 3, alright. Here we go. Hopefully, see some black smoke coming out of this beast. Sorry about the wind. What the heck?
Where he told me to. Guess it's broke. Oh yeah, I guess you gotta go around that crossway.
Oh, you gotta go in front of that, I'm sorry. I didn't know you weren't in front of that crossway.
Okay. This is round 4.
There, it'll work now.
Alright.
Alright, run 4. It's the same video. Here we go. I know he's barely impressing it. That's doing it. He's just barely easing it and it's going. And that tire ain't gonna break loose, so. And then after this truck, we're gonna pull that red Ford over there. So. He almost hit that bird. A bird flew under the truck. Oh. He's touching the ground.